All right, what is going on, everybody? So we did make the final $300 to pass this 50K Lucid eval. So I'm going to get right into the trade recap. Going into the day, I was pretty neutral, actually, leaning more bullish though. And the reason for that is because we had low resistance liquidity buy side and this London high right here. The reason why I was neutral was because we were in between both of these 15-minute gaps. So we were still respecting this bullish 15-minute gap here, but we were also respecting this bearish 15-minute gap here. So we could have came up, respected this, and then saw displacement towards sell side here. But we also could have continued to respect this 15-minute gap here and then had displacement up towards London high. That's what ended up happening, but I wanted to see a little bit more confirmation. So one of the reasons why I was not looking for shorts, at least right away, is because we had a ton of low resistance liquidity here buy side that I wanted to see get taken first. And then we also had a ton of low resistance liquidity up here as well. So I was really leaning more towards London high getting hit. But again, if we got more displacement lower like this, came up, took this low resistance and came down, I would have been open to targeting that sell side. Once I saw this close above, I was expecting this to get ran, and that's what happened pretty much right away. So now I was just looking for some sort of pullback at this point. So once we came all the way up here, I wasn't thinking that we were going to get a setup because we pretty much just pumped and I thought we were going to end up taking the draw right away. But we still had all this low resistance liquidity intact and this London high. So I wanted to see something like this comes up, get a nice retracement, and then delivers to the buy side draw. That's exactly what ended up happening. All right, so playing it out, just skipping 1 second at a time because this is a 1 minute candle. We came down, we got a really nice flip here with displacement. So this is when I entered mid candle before it closed. Because of this reaction, I wanted to see price continue higher. And that's exactly what happened, pretty much all in one candle. Entered here, displaced up right away, and then literally in the second candle, we hit TP. This was literally like a 35-second trade and I was out. And then I passed the 50K Lucid eval with this trade. And then yesterday, I also passed a Redline Futures eval during Asia session. It was pretty much the exact same setup, but we tapped into a 5-minute fair value gap and then got displacement towards a draw on liquidity. But it was actually literally the exact same setup because we had this low resistance liquidity yesterday as well. And then we had a 1 hour high as like my high time frame draw on liquidity. Yeah, pretty clean day today. Once I saw these candles flush through this low resistance liquidity here, I'm like, okay, I'm just waiting for some sort of flip and then I'm going to enter off the displacement. So it was a pretty solid trade today. If you guys want to join my free Discord, there's a link in the description below. You can access my completely free trading journal, as well as my displacement model checklist. So you can have it on your screen while you're trading and follow along and see exactly what you're looking for the setup. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of the day and we'll see you guys in the next one.